Good afternoon. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we are celebrating 10 years for Color Me Carolina in business. Hello, Paige.
Hey, how are you? I'm so excited to be here. 10-year anniversary is amazing. I never thought we'd get here, especially the last couple of years. We've all had to deal with it, but yeah, 10 years. So to celebrate my 10-year anniversary, not 20 yet, we are doing 2 gift baskets or packages to give away. For every $30 you spend, you get a ticket, and you can enter into the drawing for these gifts. So I have a spa package, which has got some Fit Kick shoes, Hello Mellow pajamas. We've got some soaps, that sort of thing. And then the other one is the entertaining package, and it's got the dishes, serving dishes, some napkins, some caramels that have been hand poured and individually wrapped. Some fun little things like that for you. But come on down. I've got huge shipments of Tommy Bahama have come in for men and women. Of course, I have my Brighton jewelry, handbags, and men's belts. Lots of other items that are coming in left and right. I just got my wind chimes in. Coasters are filling up. My fudge board is filled. So come on down and see me. We'll be celebrating today till 5 and again tomorrow from 10 to 5. The drawing will be held on Tuesday, May 11th, which is the anniversary date of the store. So come on down. Thanks.
And where are you located?
I'm on Long Beach Road across from the Restore in between the 2 campgrounds. So 4143, it's Colfax Lane, but 4143 Long Beach Road will work.
Website?
It's colormecarolina.com.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations on 10 years. Come on down and support a local business, and maybe you'll win a drawing. I'm loving that spa package.
Thanks, Karen. Come down. Appreciate it.